Today we are going to analyze lesson number 3.5, that is Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. In this particular chapter is a chapter in the form of interview where Mary Kom has been asked some questions by the interviewer who is taking the interview, and she is answering. From this chapter, we will get to know how politely or how in a good manner we need to reply or we need to answer to the questions asked. Okay. Secondly, as interview is their part of your writing skill, it will help us to know how an interview is been written. What is the opening? What is the closure? And what type of questions do we need to ask you? So basically, we lose marks when we are attempting this interview writing. Why do we lose marks? Because we are not asking relevant questions most of the times, or else, if at all, we are asking questions, but those questions are not appropriate. The framing of the questions, the length of the questions, the quality of the questions matters over here. And whatever reply you're going to give, that also matters, whether it is relevant, it is grammatically correct, whatever words or whatever vocabulary you have made use of, whether it is appropriate, whether it is relevant to the sentence or not. So basically, this is a chapter which will help us in our writing skill. Even if you all are want to become a journalist, reporter in future, it is a guide for you all as well, like how to interact with front person, how you need to talk. Okay. Secondly, this chapter will give us information about the Mary Kom, who is Mary Kom, and why are we going to study this chapter, why she has been called as a super mom. This all questions will be answered via this chapter. Before we actually start analyzing this chapter, I want you all to answer one of my question. This question is, you need to tell me the jobs which were done only by men in the past, but nowadays women too have started doing them. Give me the name of the job, occupation. Yes, good Yashaswini. Doctor, sports, yes, accountant, police, cricket, pilot, business, education, yeah, teaching, engineering, good, and army, yeah. Lawyer, good. Psychologist, yes. Auto rickshaw driver, yes. Engineering, doctor, pilot, writer, vet, astronaut, scientist, director, medical scientist, painter, scientist, poet, yeah. Auditor, budget analyst, corporate producer, manuscript writing, manager, lawyer. See, there are n number of jobs. Now, whatever differences were there earlier, if we take of men and women, those differences have been removed. They are no more. Why they are not there? Because of gender equality is prevailing in our country. Okay, yes, good Sanskrit, because of the equality. Now, even we no need to differentiate between gender, because we all are there in humanity. By humanity as a human, we all are we to be treated as one and equal. Now let's see about Mary Kom. Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982. She is known for her Indian boxing as an Indian boxer. She is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from Kom tribe in Manipur. Now, what is the meaning of hailing from? The word hailing from means to be from a particular place or belonging to a particular tribe. Yes, coming. Hailing from means coming or to be from a particular place. Yes, belonging from a particular place or a tribe or a native. So, what is Com? Com are one of the tribes in a family of people called the Com Rim. It is called as Com Rim. It is called as Com Rim. In this Com Rim, there are total six sub-tribes. This is the main tribe called as Com Rim. In this, we have six tribes, out of which one is Com Rim, and Mericom is belonging to the Com Rim tribe. It is mainly found in Manipur. Now, we will correlate it with geography. Where is Manipur located? In India. Where is the Manipur state located? Can you all tell me in the chat box? No, Yashaswini. No, Bhumi. Proper. I want. Proper. I want. No, which part? North part, south, east, west. Yes, very good. The correct answer is given by Khushi as well as Manali Shinde from 10th B. The correct answer is northeastern part. Bhumi, it is northeastern. Yes, Mrunal. Northeastern part. Okay. So basically, she is belonging or she is coming from the Manipur, that is northeastern part of India. Com are one of the tribes in a family of people called Comren. Okay, so what is the meaning of tribes? This word we are listening from in geography also you might have heard. So what is tribe? Tribes are a group of people or community who are sharing similar value or interest. So let's see ahead about Maricom. Maricom is a six-time world amateur boxing champion. Now, what is amateur boxing? Amateur boxing is basically a type. We call it as mainly in basic term, it's related to the sports activity where they are not being paid for fighting. Okay, in simple another term we can say amateur boxing in sports, it is a short in duration. This boxing takes place in a very short duration of time, like 4 minutes, 2 minutes, okay, and is a variant of boxing practiced at Olympic Games, Pan American Games, as well as Commonwealth Games, as well as other. There are many other associations who organize this amateur boxing. So she had attend a six-time world amateur boxing champion. Okay, and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of six world championship she had won every medal in all the six world championship. Okay, her nickname is Magnificent Mary. Magnificent, both words pronunciation are correct. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified means fit in simple terms, or we can say is eligible. She was been selected and she was been qualified, she was eligible for Summer 2012 Olympics. Okay, Summer 2012 Summer Olympics, competing in the flyweight. Competing means what? She had taken part in flyweight. Now, what is flyweight? Flyweight is a class in boxing which includes fighters weighing about 49 up to 51 kg. So she was in which category? She was in flyweight 51 kg category and she had won the bronze medal. Okay, let's move ahead. This was the introduction part which is there in your yellow box, page number 129 of your text. Now let us see paragraph by paragraph. First paragraph tells us about Mary Kom. from which place is she from, and what are her achievements. So they had to be one successful story if Indian were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. This first line tells us that survive in the word survive in means to continue to live or exist. So if we Indians want to exist in this sports field, we have to survive in sports. Okay, we have to survive in sports. So we can continue to live in or exist in sports because we have one successful story of Indian boxer who is a great warrior. Her name is Mary Kom. Enough has been said about this great warrior. Enough means ample, okay, nothing less. Each one of us know about this lady, okay, and her achievements, her whatever problem she had faced, how she had overcome the problem, okay, had been about her great warrior, about her bravery, who conquered the world, who gained victory in the world. Okay, we know about the Mary Kom, who has for her victory, for her bravery, okay, for her hardship. This warrior is none other than Mary Magte Com, the conqueror and the comrade. Conqueror already meaning I told, it means the winner, and comrade means what? Companion. We can call it as in her field. She is famed. She is famed. The word famed means she is known. The word famed means famous. Yes, she is famed as five times world boxing champion, and the only boxer to win a medal. A medal means what? One medal in every of these six world championship. In all the six world championship, she got one medal. In the year 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman to qualify what? Which class? Okay. So World Boxing Championship, and she was the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the six World Championship. In the year 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in 51 kg flyweight category. Yes, Sanskriti, I was asking this question only, and it is a category of boxing. Next paragraph tells us about the biography of Mary Kom. Kom was born on Kangtai village, Moirang Lamkhai in Churchandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. So this is the northeastern part of India. Over here we can see Manipur. We can see the Manipur. I hope that my spotlight is visible. Yeah, this is Manipur, and then it is there in which Manipur in Kangthai village, Morang Lamkhai, and yes, see over here in Manipur we have this. Sorry, in Manipur we have this place called Churachandpur. Yeah, or Churchandpur is also correct pronunciation. And there in Churchandpur we have this village. called Moirang Lamkhai. In Moirang Lamkhai, we have one village called Kangthei. So in that particular place, she was born in this particular place. So let's move ahead now. Yeah, she came from a poor family. She came from a poor family. Her family was not so rich. Her parents, Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom, were tenant farmer. Tenant means what? Tenant means a person who farms on rented land. Means they had taken a land for a rent and they were farming on that rented land. Okay, so her parents were a tenant farmer who worked on jhum field. Jhum over here means farming and shifting or shifting cultivation. Yes, good Sanskriti. Com grew up in humble surrounding. Humble means what? Simple and in poor condition. She grew up. We say no, born and brought up. So she was brought up in a very humble surrounding. Her helping of parents. See her nature. We will get to know about now in this particular line. She was having a quality, a nature of helping. She used to help her parents with farm related chores, going to school and learning athletics. Now, what is athletics? Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of athletics? Chores means routine tasks, especially related to household. Am I audible? Okay. So
Yes,
what is
teacher.
the okay? Thank you, teacher. What is the meaning of athletics? Yes, running events, track field events. Okay. So running is a sports, physical sports, running, yes, good. Is a sports of competing in track field events including running race, jumping, throwing, javelin throw. What are this? These are related to athletics. So first thing we got to know that she was from a poor family. Her parents were tenant farmers who were working in jhum fields. She was brought up in a humble surrounding and she used to help her parents in the farm related work. Okay, she used to go to the school. She even learned athletics. Okay, initially means at the starting she was only interested in athletics. Later on, boxing. Simultaneously what they have used means what? Boxing and athletics, both she was doing. Okay, she used to help her parents go to the school. She had learned athletics, and later on, she was practicing athletics as well as boxing. Her father was a keen. Keen means what? Better wrestler in his younger age. When her father was young, he was a keen wrestler. Now, next paragraph, page number 129, third paragraph. She had an eager, this father, mother. She had an eager interest. Eager means what? Eager means what? The word eager means strongly wanting to do. So she strongly, yes, willingness, desire. She was curious, yes. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood. And the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri. Okay, Manipuri means what? This person was from the state of Manipur. So she was interested in athletics from a childhood itself, and the success, the victory of Dinko Singh. This person you can see over here, Dinko Singh, a fellow. Fellow means what? A man, boy, or a person in the same position involved in the same activity. In other words, we can say companion. So he was an athlete, he was a boxer, and so she was also there. That is why fellow they have written over here. So Dinku Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. As he had won, this was his success, this was his victory. So calm recollects means recalls how he had inspired. Inspired means encouraged. Inspired means encouraged. He was a role model many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Yes, he motivated, he inspired, he encouraged many young people of Manipur to try boxing, and out of that many, Com was one of it who had giving it a try, who had attempted. Good. So can we move ahead? Next paragraph tells us that Mary Com's career started in the year 2000. Mary Com's career started in the year 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the regional championship in West Bengal. Now, can you tell me where is the West Bengal located on a Indian map? Where is West Bengal located? Very good, Sanskriti. First one to reply. Eastern part of India. Bhumi, Eastern. Okay. Yes, Khushi. Good. So from the her actual career she started actual career wise she started focusing from the year 2000 because after in this 2000 she had participated in Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship as well as regional championship in West Bengal. So when she got success in both the championships, she thought that yes, she can do it and she can take choose boxing as a career option. So from the year 2000, started focusing and her career began. In the year 2001, she started competing at international level. See, 2000 she started, she took seriously, I need to do career in it from and in yes she got confident and she started yes Ria and from 2001 where did she compete she participated at international level she okay she was only 18 years old she was only 18 years old when she made her international debut. Debut means the word debut means first public appearance or performance. Yes, very good, Neha and Sanskriti. At the first IBA, that is AIBA. This is a federation that is the International Boxing Association. A stands for association, I for international, D box amateur, A. Okay. Women's World Championship, championship in United States, winning a silver medal in 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced. The word reinforced means strengthened. Yes, good. By the way, she apologized. Apologized means what? Saying sorry to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She had won silver, and yes, she felt sorry and she apologized that she was not able to get the gold medal for her nation in this World AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. IBA that is called as. She is a legend. Legend means one who makes history. Yes. Good. For sure. And an ideal. Ideal means to whom we can admire, role model, mentor. All are correct. For all these sportswomen to look up to. The phrase look up to means to be respected. You to look up to is a means to respect. How you'll respect your teachers, parents. In the same way, she was being respected for as a sportswoman. I want you all to frame the sentence based on this phrase look up to look up to. Okay, tomorrow I'll be asking you all. Tomorrow we'll continue with the interview part. Okay, I'll be asking you all few questions till the content I have taught you all, and one video related to biography I will show you tomorrow. Okay.